Bridges are amazing, right? They connect us, they help us travel. But bridges get old. Over time, they face wear and tear from constant use and harsh weather conditions. This aging process can lead to serious safety concerns if not addressed properly. They need regular checkups, just like us. Inspecting bridges is important, it keeps us safe. Engineers and inspectors play a crucial role in ensuring that these structures remain reliable and secure for everyone who uses them. But it can be difficult and dangerous. Inspectors often have to navigate challenging environments, climbing high structures and working in precarious positions. Inspectors have to climb and crawl. They use safety harnesses and ropes to reach every nook and cranny of the bridge. They work in tight spaces. These areas are often difficult to access and require a lot of effort and time to inspect thoroughly. It's time for a change. With advancements in technology, we can now improve the way we inspect and maintain our bridges. Now there's a new way to keep our bridges safe. Under-bridge AI scanners. These innovative devices are revolutionizing bridge inspections. These high-tech helpers are changing the game. They can scan bridge surfaces quickly and efficiently, identifying potential issues that might be missed by human inspectors. They use artificial intelligence to find problems with bridges. This technology can detect cracks, corrosion, and other structural weaknesses with incredible accuracy. This technology is making a big difference. By identifying issues early, we can perform necessary repairs before they become major problems. It's making our bridges safer than ever before. Thanks to these advancements, we can ensure that our bridges remain strong and secure for generations to come.
So, how do these scanners work? Let's dive into the fascinating world of bridge inspection technology. Imagine a big, powerful camera on wheels. This isn't just any camera, it's designed to capture the smallest details. This camera is attached to a special vehicle, equipped with state-of-the-art technology. This vehicle moves under the bridge, scanning everything in its path. This camera isn't ordinary. It's built to withstand harsh conditions. It uses lasers and sensors to create a three-dimensional model of the bridge. These lasers can penetrate surfaces to reveal hidden flaws. This model is incredibly detailed, showing the bridge's structure in high resolution. It shows every crack, every sign of wear and tear, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant. But here's where the AI comes in. The artificial intelligence processes all this data. The scanner doesn't just take pictures. It captures detailed images that are then analyzed. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze the data, identifying patterns and anomalies. This AI is trained to spot problems that might not be visible to the naked eye. It can see things that even a trained human eye might miss, ensuring the safety